Well, good evening, everybody. Brian Barrett here with you with a look at this week's weather. Last week was, of course, very, very, very cold and snowy and ice, and hopefully finally getting rid of most of that stuff and working toward warmer conditions. But we've got some rain to deal with, and quite a bit of rain, as a matter of fact. So let's take a look at some of that. And we'll look at the forecast here as well. Let's take a peek at that first here from Weatherology. As you can see, looks like Tuesday, good shot at rain, 70% chance of rain, 55 for the high, 34 for the low. Chance of some thunderstorms both Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the mid 60s, 90 to 95% chance. So, yes, we're going to get some rain, it looks like. And rain chances go way down on Friday, but return for the weekend, especially on Saturday. But you can see 60s for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and dropping to the 40s on Sunday with that front on Saturday, bringing some cooler temperatures. Well, let's also go to our radar here and take a look here at Futurecast, as we've got one of our models pulled up here, and we're going to just take a look at the forecasted rain totals here. It's pretty impressive. As we take a look at it first, we go to, let's see, the 24th, which is Wednesday at 12 p.m., and we can see we've already got about an inch of rain, maybe a touch more than that by that time, and push this on out to about 9 p.m., down toward Tullahoma and Chattanooga, quite a bit more rain in the southeastern corridor. We work into 6 p.m. on the 25th, which is Thursday, and Wednesday night into Thursday is going to be a pretty rainy period for us here. As you can see, we've got here in Rutherford County those yellow and orange colors really kind of showing the, 2 to 3 inch rain totals. And if we take this on out past Thursday and run it on to the end here into, well, that's Saturday's rain. If we add Saturday's rain into it, we're into some really good rain totals here, about 4 inches of rain, 3 to 4 inches of rain. And that is kind of the National Weather Service forecast, as a matter of fact, and thought we might pull that up here for you to take a look at. So working my way to that, here we go. So the National Weather Service has a really good handle on this in terms of what they're showing on their map, and we've got about 3 to 4 inches of rain in this orange color, the deeper oranges down toward Savannah and Columbia and Tullahoma and Chattanooga. That's showing 4 to 6 inch rainfall. Thankfully, we're talking about rainfall here. Rainfall totals over the next 7 days. Anywhere from Nashville over to Cookeville, and of course here in Rutherford County, we're in the 3 to 4 inch rainfall rates. Lesser amounts the further north and west you go here in this general vicinity. All right, so how much rain? That's how much rain over the next 7 days. It is a situation that helps with the drought. As you can see in this area, here is Rutherford County, where I just put this green dot. If you can't see that, I'll do a little circle. It's hard to circle there. Okay, so now that you have found Rutherford County, I'll put the green dot back there. We're in the severe drought category, drought 2. So we've gone from moderate to severe drought. We can see some areas in Tennessee are in the extreme drought, and that's even back toward Murray County in this particular part of the state of Tennessee, and there's an exceptional drought area as well. So this is certainly going to help with the drought situation, that's for sure. So drought conditions are going to be helped by this week's 3 to 4 inches of rain, it does look like here. Let's see. Let's move along as we can show you here a look at the week ahead in terms of the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. This is valid from the 27th through the 31st. Okay, so this is looking ahead at next week, and most of Tennessee right here in the above normal temperatures. Okay, so above normal temperatures are favored here for the state of Tennessee. And if you look around the country, above normal temperatures are really kind of all around. Near normal temperatures out in the Texas and Louisiana area, but pretty mild for this time of the year. In terms of precipitation, looks like our precipitation will be well below normal precipitation favored here in Tennessee. So you can pick out kind of where we are here in Tennessee. And below normal is what we're expecting. So anywhere in the brownish colors are below normal. Maybe some above normal out in North Carolina and on the eastern seaboard, but Tennessee in the below normal precipitation areas. So a bit of a recap, and thanks to the National Weather Service for all of this information here, by the way. They put together a briefing each week, and I'm hoping to be able to bring some of this to you each week as time permits. So we can expect showers to move in tonight. Multiple rounds of showers are expected through the rest of the week. Multiple rounds, as we saw in our forecast, and we'll go back over that in a minute. Several days of really good rain chances. Weather Service saying flooding is a concern in flood-prone areas. We are in a drought, but we did have temperatures that were really, really cold, so the ground is really cold. We had a snowpack, so that has melted, yes, but we had really cold conditions, and that's going to maybe hamper some of the water to penetrate the ground as well. But it has been dry, so maybe we'll have those things kind of working for us. But flooding a concern in flood-prone areas. Concerns would be greatest for the Wednesday night into Thursday period. So Wednesday night into Thursday is what we're really keeping an eye on. And as we had mentioned, widespread 2 to 4 inches possible, locally higher amounts, and we'll go back to that here in just a second. Rutherford County kind of in the higher end of what is at least being looked at, and models are producing highest amounts more likely across the South, and that's kind of proving to be the case with the models that we have seen. Isolated thunderstorms Wednesday night into Thursday. You're going to have some rumbles of thunder, but right now nothing on the severe side of that is expected. So let's go back here to the rainfall map. And as you can see, 3 to 4 inches anywhere in this orange color. Very, very common. And locally some higher amounts, as you can see. But as I kind of draw the green line in around that, got a little happy on me there a little bit and a little skinny back there. But anywhere in here, and of course Rutherford County right there, we can see that we can have 3 to 4 inch rain totals over the next 7 days. Over the next 7 days. And our radar kind of pointed to that again as we looked at the GFS model here and showing rainfall totals could be at the end of this period anywhere from 3 to 4 inches, and that's a look at the forecast. So, again, to recap here, if you're just joining, looks like the rain is going to really set in on Tuesday, a 70% chance of rain on Tuesday, high of 55, low of 34. As you can see, nothing below freezing over the next 7 days. And no temperatures in the 30s even after Tuesday night. 62 for a high with showers, possibly a thunderstorm Wednesday and Thursday, and very high rain chances on both of those days. Maybe a little bit of a break on Friday with only a 20% chance, but once we get into Saturday, a 75% chance of rain, and that is going to lead to some cooler temperatures come Sunday, with a high of only 48 degrees. Well, that is a look at the weather update for the week of January 22nd. I'd encourage you to head to RutherfordWX.com. That stands for weather. On the radio side, we did mentioned WX and what does that mean, and that was Morse code for weather back when Morse code was, I guess, a really big thing. But RutherfordWX.com, so that stands for Rutherford Weather, and that's the website which has a landing page to a lot of things that you can get to. Our YouTube, where you can subscribe and see when we've got videos coming out and going live, Facebook, also X, and others coming soon. We have a Twitch page as well, which you can take a look at the videos as we go live. Also, forecast tools. We've got forecast maps and radar there, right there on the website, RutherfordWX.com. And Weatherology has some really cool features, including that weather that you can, or that radar that you can loop. So be sure to take a look at that. And then links to some of the tools that we use to kind of look at the weather, and the National Weather Service being a big part of that, Storm Prediction Center, Weather Prediction Center, all of that. So RutherfordWX.com. Well, that's a look at your week to come for weather. January 22nd, Brian Barrett. Have a great evening. We'll see you back here soon.